Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Dodge Ram 1500 2024. It's very simple. Spin the key to your run position without starting the car down here. Then we're going to look through the menu using these arrows up and down until we get to the menu oil life. So let me go back. There's many options here. You're gonna scroll until you get to your vehicle information. Use this button here to get in. Then it brings you to here, 64%, but we want to reset it. Hold the button to the right and here it is, back to 100. It's very simple. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.